Alright, we're at gotomath.com doing some calculus. We're actually doing some implicit differentiation, and we're in this section here. And yes, this is the answer. It says find the equation of the tangent line that passes through the point 5, 5. So that's what we want to do. Alright, this guy right here. Alright, so this was the equation, 3x squared y plus 2xy squared is equal to 625. Here's the point. This point is somewhere on this curve. If we were to graph this thing out, and y is equal to mx plus b, this is the goal right here. Right now we want to find m. M is going to be the slope of that tangent line, and that means that we need to take the derivative of this guy. So let's do that. So this part right here, we're going to take the derivative of the first part. So this is 6x times y plus 3x squared times y prime plus, and then this is going to be 2y squared plus 4x y times y prime, and that's going to be equal to 0. Alright, and now what we're going to want to do is solve for y prime, but I kind of did that in the other problems. I think what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and plug in our point, and then we'll solve for y prime. How's that? So since x and y are both 5, right, we just 5 in there, that's y prime, plus 2 times 5 squared plus 4 times 5 and y prime, set that equal to 0. Now we want to go ahead and solve for y prime. So this piece right here, 5 times 5 is 25, times 6 is going to be 150. This right here, let's see, 5 times 5 is 25, times 3 is 75 y prime. And then this piece here is 25, that's 50. That's 25 times 4 is 100 y prime. Set that equal to 0. Alright, and we solve for, I'm going to go ahead and just write it out here. Y prime is going to be equal to, so you want to solve for y prime, hopefully you can do that, right? That's 200, take it to the other side, becomes negative 200. Alright, and then we factor out a y, 175, and then take that down here. Now this is going to reduce down, 5 goes into all this stuff, a lot of things go into it, but it's going to reduce down to negative 8 over 7. I'll let you work on that. So now that we have our, this is our slope right here, right? This is going to be equal to our m in our equation up here, which right here. So now we have y is equal to negative 8/7 x plus b, and we go ahead and plug in our 0.55, so we have 5 is equal to negative 8/7 times 5 plus b, and then we solve for b in this problem, and hopefully at this point in your math career you can do that, right? I'll let you work on that. So that's 75 over 7. So there it is, y is equal to negative 8/7 x plus 75 over 7. So that's the equation of the tangent line on this curve, and of course I don't have a clue what this line looks like, but you know, there was some part of this is in there, and this is like 5, 5, and this would be the equation to the tangent line. This would be kind of tangent right there at that point. Alright, okay, and I brought this up making sure that I got that problem right before I, you know, anyway, worked it out there, so I want to make sure we do that. But we're at gotomath.com, and in that section click on that and see that problem. Alright, see you there.